Welcome to Fitness Courses. We're talking about planes of motion. So the planes of motion are those planes where the movement happens in the body, and these are mainly three that are the frontal, the sagittal, and the transverse. Now these are very important for every fitness professional, or personal trainer, or yoga teacher, but for medical and anatomical students, those are a little bit more complex, like the median and the parasagittal, but we're not talking about those now. So starting from the frontal plane, it's also called the coronal plane. That's the plane that cuts the body in two parts from front to back. So it's basically a line, a plane that moves across your body, across like this, and that's a plane where the abduction movement happen and the adduction, same for the legs, so abduction and adduction. Then there is the sagittal plane, and the sagittal plane, it's a plane that cuts through the midline of your body from front to back. So instead of being going from side to side, this one comes from front to back. And sagittal means like an arrow, so arrow that's cutting through your body. That's why it's called sagittal, comes from sagittus Latin. And this allows the movement of flexion and extension, so the movement that go from front to back, so front to back. Then there is the transverse plane, that is the one also called axial plane, and that's a plane that cuts your body in two parts, dividing the upper body from the lower body, and it's called also axial because allows a rotation around your axis. So every movement that is pronation and supination, or a rotation, a twisting of the spine, or also medial flexion, so lateral, so horizontal movements that happen on a horizontal plane, like the medial rotation or the lateral rotation, happen on the transverse plane. So these are briefly our three planes of motion. If you have any comments or questions, please write in the comment below. Thanks very much for watching.